Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Prints. Hope you all are doing great and learning well. So today the video is all about how to convert a low resolution picture into a high resolution image. Right? Usually we have seen that we are getting the right image but not getting the right resolution, and due to the low resolution we skip the idea of to develop that motif. So in this video you will get to know that how to convert that motif within from the low resolution to a high resolution, where you can change the colors and you can use according to your requirements. So like without wasting time, let's start the video. So I'm just taking a normal canvas. Let me open the image which I want to convert into a high resolution artwork, or you can say high resolution motif. So these are the few images which I have downloaded from the internet and I'm using to like this is the Shutterstock image watermark. It has watermark. I'm just using it. So let me fix the size and let's crop the lower side. So I'm just cropping it and with a double click. As of now in this video I'm not using any shortcut, so just working everything with the mouse, so that could be easy to understand. And I'm just making this image size 3 by 3 inches and keeping the resolution 300. Now let's go the curve section and balance the all white and blacks. In this video I'm just using 2 color prints, so it just adjust the level and curves according to your requirement. Whenever you feel it is okay, let's fix it and then convert that artwork into the threshold. When you put the threshold, 128 is the standard requirement. 128 will give you that clear artwork where you can give the color and you can give background color as well. So I'm just putting 2 colors artwork, and it will be easy to convert into the screen print and expose the screens. So like this is the very easy technique where you can convert. Let's take another image. This is another image which I have downloaded from internet. The resolution is very low. I'm just cropping the extra part from the image, so when I'm giving the size, accurate size and resolution, so it will impact only the right artwork. So let's change the size and resolution. Image size is 4 by 4, which is good enough. The resolution should be 300. I'm keeping width of motif 3 inches and height would be automatically, and resolution 300. Going again in a curve section where I'm just putting curves according to the requirement of image. Whenever I feel that it is going fine, so let's stop and OK. And now the next step is convert into threshold. When you give the threshold, the automatically image will convert into 2 color print. One is background, one is foreground. You can change the colors. I'm just keeping maroon and black should be beige, or any beige kind of thing would be fine. I'm just filling that color, not using any short command. It's very easy. It's like you can use this motif anywhere. So let's take another motif. It just like black and white, most of the time require this kind of commands. So that's why I'm using same techniques on motif. It just say the point is keeping the same technique for all motif, just to understand the level of curve, how to use curves, right? Image size I have done RGB. Now going on curves, and like you have to see that curve require different balancing on different images. That is the main purpose of using 4 image with single technique, so that you can understand that how the curve matter into the balancing of edges and shapes as well. So just cropped size, easy, very simple command. You don't need to worry about the 2 color prints. It's very easy to convert. Wherever the watermark are, where the low resolution it is, you can work it. So another image, simple. It is also single color. It is also single color. So we can take anyone. I'm just using it. It is a very low resolution image. You can get the link of the image in description box. I'll upload there. You can download and see. It's just 1 by 1. 300 resolution. I'm just keeping 3 inches and with 300 resolution. Now again the balancing with curves, because the 2 color, like we are using curve technique, because we need the result in 2 color only. And now again threshold, it's easy. So guys, this is the technique which is most of the time we need, like single color motif for stamping, for brushing, for texture and all, and we can do anything with these motifs. So as of now we are working on techniques. So like once we are covered with techniques, so we'll see it further. So like let me show you how the 4 images are looking for after converting. So these are the 4 images which I have done, covered in a 5 minutes video, and it's very easy. So let me show you how the 4 image will look. Like these are the 4 images which we have done. Hope guys you like the video, and if you're liking the content, keep share and subscribe. If you have any question, kindly comment in a comment section. So hope you like it. Thank you.